Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can adding pictures over videos in the CapCut apps. So for example, I already have one video here and I'm going to add the picture over the video. So how to? So actually it's super simple. You are just going to click overlay, just add the overlay. So just click overlay, add the overlay and select the picture that you want to add as an overlay. So for example, select this one, click add. So the picture has been added over a video. You can change for the duration and you can change for the size and the position you like. You can also blend the overlay, just click blend, select mode blend, darken, okay, that's it. It's very simple, it's so basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.